Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What's up YouTube? DataLyfe, DataLyfe back with another video, and today I want to show you exactly what is on my desk and what my home setup looks like. I got a few questions on this. A lot of people are trying to set up their desk, and if this helps you out, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know. Comment any questions you have, and let's get into it. Check out my little office. First up, the main thing is the FlexiSpot EC1 standing desk. Got it off Amazon. It's 48 by 30. It was a kind of smaller desk, but as you can see, I have plenty of space for everything I need. Suits me perfectly, and it wasn't that expensive. I think it was actually less than $300. And check it out, right here is fully electric. I've had manual standing desks before. They suck. The one where you gotta crank, 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 crank. I hated that. It's very loud, so it had to be electric for me. Again, this was one of the cheaper electric standing desks, and it's done fine for me. The reason I got a standing desk is because I'm starting to get old now, starting to get some back pain. I'm at the old age of 26, so I really want to have something that'll allow me to have good posture, and of course I can do that when I'm actually standing at this workstation. Unfortunately, I do spend a lot of time sitting at my standing desk, but I'm working on it. Now, the only thing I did not like about this desk, and it might not even be the manufacturer's fault, is that when I got it, it did come with a little dent in the side. It's not too bad, but I mean, if you're paying money for something like this, it kind of sucks when it comes like that. It looks like, to me, it got dropped while it was being shipped. So I did the DIY way of fixing it and bought a lamp and put it in that spot, which is really my scratch cover. Yeah, I really just bought this to kind of cover up the scratch. I mean, there's plenty of natural light that comes in here. I really never use this. So it's pretty much a scratch cover and a headphone holder. What it holds up is this Sony WHXB 900N. Sony just loves these names that are just like a barcode or an inmate number. But these are great cancel. Noise canceling is good. Gives me extra bass because I listen to a lot of hip hop music and lo-fi. But this is what I'm gonna put on if I'm working here. I want to drown out some of the noise. As you can see, I live right next to a highway, an airport, train, all that. So the noise canceling is very, very clutch. I definitely need it because it can get very loud in here and it helps me just focus. Good pair of headphones. And this is the chair I chose to buy with the desk. It's the Flash Furniture mid-back drafting chair. So, man, buying a chair is a real big purchase. I mean, you gotta find something with good support or else your back is just gonna be hunched over the whole time like this. I was looking for chairs with good lumbar support. This has that, and I needed arms that would flip up like this so I could play the bass with it and I could be arms free with it. When I was looking at chairs, man, the price of chairs is expensive, and I am cheap. I will not lie to you, I am cheap. So I found this again on Amazon for a good deal. Saw it, copped it. It's been pretty good to me. I like the white color also. I knew it was going to get dirty eventually because it is white, but still looks pretty good. And the thing about drafting chairs is they extend much higher than other chairs. I thought this would be cool to pair with my new standing desk, and I got some ADHD, so it's hard for me to sit in one place for a little bit. So having this chair, when I'm up there sitting up chilling on top, I don't get up, I don't walk around. It keeps me stationed at my desk, and it actually helps me focus a lot more. Looks kind of funny, but you know, I like being perched up here, you know, crow's nest. Now let's start talking about the power, how we get stuff done here. My company blessed me with a MacBook Pro. It has 2.3 gigahertz, 8-core Intel i9, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a terabyte of storage. Very fast, very powerful, definitely the most powerful laptop I've ever had. This is my main laptop, it's my work laptop. I use it for everything I can, super fast and powerful. Coming from PC, I actually love Mac a lot more. I'll probably do a review on that, but man, Mac is fly, I can't lie. Now my old fling is right here, like I said, came from an HP. Now this one I used in college, used it a lot towards the end of college. It's pretty much what got me from there until now. And unfortunately I don't use it as much anymore. Like I said, I use the work one. It's like a $3,000 laptop, and This one is a little older now, but this was my baby for a long time. I only really use it when I need to like download something because I can't really download anything on my work laptop. And last and least, we have my work laptop that was given to me by the government, I guess my client laptop. Yeah, I actually can't talk too much about it. It's a government laptop, but it's pretty much just what I use to do all my government work. I don't really run anything locally, so this pretty much just gets me through the door to everything I need to do. Then we got my multimedia device, my tablet. It's a Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Got it on Black Friday maybe a year or two ago. Marked down a lot. I got it for about, I think, $120, maybe even less than that, but it's a great tablet for what it is. I have it next to me to get my daily dose of YouTube, ESPN, or Spotify when I'm doing work that isn't that intensive. Of course, never during meetings. And this little swinging thing right here, this is my Apple docking station. And if you know anything about Apple laptops, they took away all the ports and they just recently put them back on. But I still got the one with no ports, so I need to use this a lot. That's the only thing I don't like about my laptop. So I use this to connect my laptop to everything. Check out the slots. We got HDMIs, USB-C charging ports, SD card, Ethernet, pretty much everything I need to keep me going. I also have my docking station from work back here. Has the same functionality as the Apple one. It was given to me to attach the work laptop to my monitors. So talking about monitors, let's get into what I got. I got the HP Pavilion 22 CWA monitors, 21.5 inches. Now I did a lot of research on monitors and I'm a big bang for your buck guy. So these were the best bang for your buck monitors that I've seen. I mean, every review that's talking about the best and most affordable monitors had these at #1. So of course, copped them. I love them. They're really not hard to find on sale somewhere. I've had them for several years now and they look just as good as ever. The picture is good, quality is good, everything is fine. I can mount them, so I'm happy with that. I think the only thing it's missing is some of the features other monitors have. It doesn't have as many HDMI ports, it doesn't have any other fancy options obviously, but I mean, for me, I'm just plugging it into my laptop, doing some work, editing some videos. It does exactly what I need it to do. So I'm good with that. On each monitor, I have these monitor arms. I've actually bought 3 of these, one for me, another for me, and one for my dad as a gift. They're easy to install, they move around really well, very adjustable. I like them because I can move my monitors in any way possible. And I'm really starting to like to put the monitor in portrait mode. It makes me a better programmer. It's better for writing papers, for writing scripts, and a lot of times from reading from websites also. Now, I've never had a keyboard fetish like a lot of people do. I like the clean, more professional look, and I got it in white just to match the chair. It's just nice, clean, and smooth. It looks good on my desk. Does what I needed to do. I really like the feel of it too, the feel of the keys. I'm not a big mechanical keyboard guy, a light up keyboard guy, customize your keyboard guy. I mean, I really just want it to be there, not take up too much space. Also came with a mouse too. I mean, it's just a mouse. It's pretty sleek. Does what I needed to do again. And both of them are USB charged. And right here, swinging out right here, is what I use when I'm doing a screen recording, doing my NFL predictions, or I need to record some voiceovers or something recorded on the computer. I use this USB powered microphone. It's the Blue Yeti Nano. The Blue Yeti mics are some of the most popular for YouTubers and streamers, and would I really be a YouTuber if I didn't have one of these setups? And this thing only cost me about $80. I think the Blue Yeti, the large one, costs about $100 to $120. It's a very good quality, affordable mic. It sounds great. Just listen to some of the videos where I'm doing voiceovers. It sounds great. And this stand right here, I won't lie to you, this stand is not affordable. It's just cheap. Kind of sucks. Doesn't move that well, but hey, you need it on the desk to be a YouTuber, so I got it right there. Now, a lot of my life, I've noticed that I've gotten headaches from looking at screens too long, and a lot of times I'll try to turn down the brightness and that'll help. But what really helps more than anything is these blue light glasses that I bought. Check them out right here. They're only a few dollars and they've saved me from a lot of headaches and migraines. You guys should definitely get a pair of blue light glasses, because I know you're staring at screens all day and it's really gonna help protect your eyes and your brain from seeing all that stimulus. I made that last part up, but it'll help. It'll help a lot. And I kind of always wondered what I would look like with glasses. I don't know if I pull it off or not. Unfortunately, I had 20/20 vision, so I never found out until now. And of course, no setup is complete without your music, without your speaker systems. I got the JBL Flip 4. This one's probably a few years old. I remember getting it for about $100. I know they have like the Flip 5 now, but this speaker bumps. For something so small, I mean, it sounds great. Like the highs are so crisp, the bass isn't that bad. I mean, you can take it anywhere, battery lasts for pretty long. And it also works while it's being plugged in, which is a very underrated fact. But yeah, adding this to my setup really changed it. It really fills up this entire room. And I brought it out, I brought it to the pool before, brought it hiking. I mean, it really fills up a lot of space. It goes a lot louder than what you think. And it doesn't distort. The music sounds great. Like, it sounds absolutely fantastic coming from this small thing. Now, to see what's powering all of this, we're gonna go down here with this power strip with 3 USBs and 3 power outlets. Looks like this now, but it usually looks a lot more chaotic. And this just helps get that electricity to where it needs to go. So as you can see here, you can get a great home setup without really dropping heavy amounts of money. Like, you don't need those $300 chairs, those $400 monitors. I mean, my setup is great and I was able to save a lot of money in pretty much every single place. I probably will be upgrading the setup a little bit just because I've had this for years now and I got a little extra money that I can spend on some things. So stay tuned for an updated desk review. I'll show you exactly what I upgraded and what I'm doing. And of course, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. DataLyfe, DataLyfe. Peace, deuces.